Hi friends, good morning. My name is Vansh Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Junior English Fun. दोस्तों आज की वीडियो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाली है क्योंकि आज का टॉपिक है फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस। दोस्तों वीडियो को लास्ट तक जरूर देखना। फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस को डिटेल में जानने के लिए अब मैं ले चलता हूँ आपको अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। दोस्तों मैं आ गया हूँ अपने प्रोजेक्टर की स्क्रीन पे। In today's video, we will learn future continuous tense. It is used to talk about an action that will be happening at a particular time in the future. First, positive affirmative formula. Rule: subject plus will be plus verb plus ing. Example: I will be playing. Second, negative formula. Rule: subject plus will not, won't, be plus verb plus ing. Example: I will not be sleeping. Third, question interrogative formula. Will plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing. Example: will you be going to school? Positive sentences. First sentence is I will be playing cricket. She will be reading a book. He will be going to school. We will be watching TV. They will be eating lunch. The boy will be running fast. The girl will be singing a song. I will be studying English. She will be cooking food. He will be sleeping at night. We will be cleaning the room. They will be playing in the park. I will be helping my mother. She will be drawing a picture. He will be writing homework. We will be learning maths. They will be dancing happily. I will be waiting for you. She will be watering plants. He will be riding a bicycle. We will be traveling tomorrow. They will be talking loudly. I will be packing my bag. She will be washing clothes. He will be opening the door. We will be planting trees. They will be enjoying the game. I will be drinking milk. She will be smiling happily. He will be listening to music. Negative sentences. First sentence is I will not be playing cricket. She will not be reading a book. He will not be going to school. We will not be watching TV. They will not be eating junk food. I will not be sleeping early. She will not be cooking today. He will not be running fast. We will not be shouting. They will not be fighting. I will not be watching movies. She will not be writing homework. He will not be sleeping in class. We will not be wasting time. They will not be making noise. I will not be missing school. She will not be drawing pictures. He will not be playing games. We will not be breaking rules. They will not be coming late. I will not be talking loudly. She will not be washing clothes. He will not be opening the window. We will not be running on roads. They will not be teasing anyone. I will not be forgetting my bag. She will not be drinking cold drinks. He will not be listening to music. We will not be playing outside. They will not be laughing loudly. Question sentences. First sentence is, will I be playing cricket? Will she be reading a book? Will he be going to school? Will we be watching TV? Will they be eating lunch? Will I be studying English? Will she be cooking food? Will he be sleeping now? Will we be playing outside? Will they be dancing? Will I be helping my father? Will she be drawing a picture? Will he be writing homework? Will we be learning maths? Will they be running fast? Will I be waiting for you? Will she be watering plants? Will he be riding a bicycle? Will we be traveling tomorrow? Will they be talking loudly? Will I be packing my bag? Will she be washing clothes? Will he be opening the door? Will we be planting trees? Will they be enjoying the game? Will I be drinking milk? Will she be smiling happily? Will he be listening to music? Will we be cleaning the class? Will they be coming early? Thank you friends. If you like this video, so like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye friends.